In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record refunds from vendors into QuickBooks. We'll guide you through this process step by step so you can handle these transactions easily and efficiently. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to sign in to your QuickBooks account. Begin by navigating to the QuickBooks sign-in page. Once you're there, choose the option for QuickBooks Online. This will ensure you're in the correct version of QuickBooks for the steps we'll be taking. After selecting QuickBooks Online, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure to input your username and password correctly, then click Continue. This step is crucial to access all features and functionalities necessary to record refunds. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to create a new vendor credit. Look for the option labeled New. You'll usually find this in the main navigation menu. Clicking New will present you with a list of transaction types you can initiate. For our purpose, you want to select Vendor Credit. This is the transaction type that records a refund you've received from a vendor. Once you're in the vendor credit section, begin by entering the vendor's name. This helps QuickBooks know which vendor issued the refund. Accurate vendor records are critical for financial tracking and reporting, so double check you've chosen the correct vendor from your list. Next, it's time to add the category. The category represents where this refund belongs in your accounts. Depending on your business, this could be associated with a category for expenses or another that fits your financial setup. Accurate categorization ensures that your financial reports maintain integrity and your accounts remain balanced. After setting your category, add a clear description for this vendor credit. This description should reflect why you're receiving this refund, such as a returned item or a price adjustment. Having a clear record helps maintain organized documentation and simplifies matters during audits or financial reviews. Then enter the amount of the refund. It's crucial to input the correct figure to ensure your financial records reflect the accurate situation. Misstating either a higher or lower amount could lead to issues down the line, so double check your sources. If applicable, add the customer related to this transaction. Sometimes refunds are related to a specific customer or job, and noting this in QuickBooks will keep your customer records current and accurate. Once you've inputted all the necessary information, finish by selecting Save and Close. This ensures all your details are stored securely within QuickBooks and updates your financial records accordingly. Doing so confirms your refund transaction and wraps up the process efficiently. And that's it, you've successfully documented a refund from a vendor in QuickBooks. With these steps, managing your finances should now be smoother and more streamlined. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.